shit ain't gonna go. Hey, what the So, hi. This is my 1997 Honda Magna. I know I have not done an introductory video for this channel yet. I will do it. It's gonna be content with this bike and maybe this car and tips on how to get a better car, because that's what I'm working towards this year, is possibly getting a C6 Corvette. Okay, so we are going to tonight we're gonna change out the headlight. I did this before, but then I took it out because I was like, this doesn't make any sense. We turn it on, right? It points like that. That's the low beam. And like going on the road, it's hella unseeable. And this is the high beam. You know, this is what you ride at night with. It seems so bright right now, but I swear when you're riding the bike, you cannot see. Okay, so that's what we're gonna change today. So this is a 1997 Honda Magna 750 VC. I don't know if it's deluxe or not. No clue. Let's see, 1997 in there. So to take out your headlight, I originally thought it was these bolts. That is not it. It's these bolts right here. So we're just gonna remove it. It's like 46 degrees outside, so if you see my breath, it doesn't smell. Come on. So this is a used bike I bought from some guy. So there's rust. But over the time, I think we'll clean that up, make this thing beautiful again. Wow. That was my 13th reason, guys. Is that show still popular? Will people get this reference when I post this video? Who knows? Okay, so yeah, come on out. I think it has like a spacer, a washer, and then a spacer. Okay, this screw just loves to fall. I swear I've almost lost it like 18 million times. So after you do that, you kind of pry from the bottom, because this part right here hooks underneath. So you just pry from the bottom, pull it out, and this doesn't feel like it should come out, but you just wiggle and tug. No big wiggles, just wiggle and tug, and that takes that out. Okay, so now we have this. This is the top that goes in here. So the orientation doesn't matter. The dust cover doesn't need to be orientated, which yeah. So that's that. Take that off, and then this clip, it's a retaining clip. Fought with this the first time, but yeah, you bring this down and to the right, it pops up, and then you just bend this forward and push it out from underneath. There we go. And then you just yoink. And that is your stock bulb. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Oh Lord. Could I make the situation worse? Okay. There we go. So we're gonna pull out our eBay special. Okay. Somebody, this guy, when I was trying to rebuild my carburetors, which is a story for a different video, I had watched him, and he was calling stuff that he bought brand used. And I just thought that was hilarious, dude. But yeah, my bike is brand used, so it's like brand new to me, but it's definitely used. Okay, so there's only one way this fits. It's gonna be this way. Okay, that's important, because it kind of made me want to lose my mind the first time I did it. I was just like, because let's not talk about it. If this looks better, I'm gonna keep it, but I think this is probably gonna be, if this sucks, this is gonna be my last attempt in lighting from eBay. Okay, because the ones I have in my car are also from eBay, and that is just a hilarious story. Okay, like no one's laughing except for the people I bought it from. Yeah, man, LEDs only should replace cars that have LEDs, man. On cars with halogens, completely aesthetic. Like, it's for looks. But yeah, top dust cover doesn't matter, but the third prong is going to be somewhat towards the top. Okay, so now we hook it back up. I'm going to actually put it back in the housing, but you can test this without putting it back in. Okay, so we take one of our screws down here. Oh, so it goes screw, washer, spacer. Okay, and if you close your eyes, so right here, we hook this bad boy, give it a little push up, and then you just push in. Okay, and then you take your screw, okay, this part gets tedious, so if you see a random cut, it's because I suck at what I do. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what the new headlight looks like. Okay, put the key in, snap it on. This LED on my forehead, I feel is stronger than the LED in the bike. Okay, you see, this is your regular light, and this is the LED. You don't see nothing. Can y'all see that? Can y'all follow the beam? Nope. And it's just I don't know. Oh, hope she doesn't hit me. Nope, that is not my sister. Lord, cutting it close there, person. God damn. Okay, but yeah, that's the problem. So we're gonna put the other screw back in real quick and roll it up to the driveway so we can point it at the thing. Okay, but yeah, aesthetically pleasing, yes it is. But functional, questionable. Maybe you guys want to hear a startup. She starts up pretty well. We're getting her to warm up, especially in 46-degree weather. Unhappy. Oh my god. Okay, y'all want to hear this? 3, 2, 1. Aesthetic reasons, fire. Okay. So we'll deal with that on a different day. Oh, kids. So the headlight went out. It is unsafe. That's what she sounds like. She does not like the cold. Not at all. Lord. And it's 8:45, but she loud. Yep. You heard her die. Anyways, let's go put her inside. Anyways, guys. So that's the end of that. My little problem child over here. She hates the cold, like hate mails the cold. And this bulb is not it. So we're gonna go back in the garage, change it out real quick. But let's start her up and put her in. Okay, so we put it back together and we put the old bulb back in, which actually works. Update when we get the silver star. You guys have a good night. I don't know what outros for my videos are gonna be like, but see y'all next time.